always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong.
Assalamualaikum guys.
Waa aniga markale video kale idin wadna.
We're back again with a new video doing Somali rappers reaction.
Maxaan ku dhahay 5 heesood baa soo diyaarsanay. 5 heesood qaarna waan garanayna qaarna ma garanayno. Maxaan ku dhahay heesta ugu horeysa waxa qaadayo nin la dhahayo ROX. Xaas weeyaan heesta waa naqaanaa heestan mar hore aan aragnay markaan la socdo.
In my opinion, he's the best rapper, like literally.
He's an OG.
So let's get to the video.
Video hareeraha.
He's like,
this is the best song ever.
He's like the other Somali rappers.
You know that one.
They're like just like they don't have good voice.
I know.
But he have like
the
really
meanings of the songs like
the
trash
lyrics
too.
make sense. The
We
lyrics.
scarce here.
Like
this
what would do
one.
I
it?
want to talk about area that like.
I think he's his
Right.
own writer.
I think it's
Oh,
also
yeah, yeah,
Korean.
it's
His own
own
writer. Yeah.
You
That's
ask
funny.
me.
Your hees aniga ii dhiibday aniga soo qaadaya.
Next
Yeah.
time I'll be finna.
Now what we doing?
Has-
The next song. What we doing?
It's Hannah.
Bands. If you already know who Hannah, if you don't know who Hannah Bands is, like,
Can you
where are
think
you
you
living? Are you
don't know
living
how to
under
say
a rock? Are you living under a rock? Like, come on. It's like the best Somali rapper. Like his songs, they're best. I'm not even gonna lie.
I'm not-
And they're all from Canada. He's from Canada,
He's
right?
from Toronto.
He's from yeah.
And
that's
this
what I'm
is-
saying. And the other guy's from
yeah.
Toronto too.
Yeah, and they're like literally like.
Yo,
Like,
well I
this
can
generation
can
cannot-
crab risk some
Yeah.
other water.
I've been outside, I've been waiting all day. Money on my mind was praying for better days. Knew I had to have it. Swear to God, my niggas ain't coming down to be married. Put me on the side, I was getting no blade. Now I'm getting down, I'm treating the spare chain. Falling like a maverick. Swear to God, my niggas ain't coming down to be married.
So let's talk about his birth.
Yo, qof buu egyahay aan garanayo.
حاجة كويسة. أنا هديسهم كل حاجة.
أنا حاحد على فارق.
I'm not even lying. What's the other guy called? Bro, his like
part.
his part is like really good.
Marriage, made it to the top, we established. Getting all this dough, gotta have it. You know all my niggas living lavish. I'm a savage, getting all this money is a habit. But I can let a fake nigga have it. Shawty bring a friend while you at it. Yeah, she was on the block tryna get a little pay. I was on the corner tryna make another way. Looking for a sign, I was stressing all the time. Now I made a few bands, I'm a dripping ball mate. I'm independent, shawty, I stay low key. Pull up in phones, baby, with brand new seats. Keep it 100, girl, I know you like, I know you like.
The house was kadaawadan.
That's nice.
I literally say that like when it first came out, I was in freaking high school. Remember?
Your man
In the whole week, I
I
get
guess the dig baka keenay.
whole week we abused it like how it is. How many times did I get in trouble because of this song? Wow.
So let's go to the next song. I used
That's
to like
actually
this
a good
song,
song.
but not anymore.
It's actually really good songs like Keep Doing You.
Ha ha.
And we're doing Right there,
Heesta ku
We don't know
xigta
where-
baa qaado waxa uu dhahaa waa
Lil
kare
Balil.
waa kare ayaan waxa uu dhahaa
waa kare
waa kare baa la heesta waa kare
Wakare.
no no it's
No,
waa
waa
kare
kare, waa kare.
waa kare
What
weeyaan
a Somali.
Taanadu bay ku doonaysaa dabarkii jacaylkaan la bukaa xakuya haddaadan ii muuqan sideenu noolaadaa adigoo dhankayga joogin nolol ma ii taalaa haddaadan macaanay ii muuqan
Akhi hadaa ii muuqan
You're the girl got tattooed.
Yes,
Look at this, bro.
bring
Yeah,
that.
sweetheart. Do you?
ii muuqan sideenu noolaadaa adigoo dhankayga joogin nolol ma ii taalaa haddaadan macaanay ii muuqan farxad ma ii taalaa waan kufayo waan dhacay markaa baxday mala iga dambay
running for your love dying for your love buu dhahay
Is what it said?
I think
That was
so.
English? I literally didn't understand. I'm not even lying. I did not understand.
I think he said running for
Because I
love.
think-
Yeah, that's what he said.
I'm not
Someone
paying
else.
attention.
He said
Is it?
running.
I don't know why. I'm not
You should pay
understanding.
attention. Little
Hey, what do you think?
2013.
Oh, that
Waxaan
sounds
joogtaa Minnesota.
Waxaan joogaa Canada.
That was actually the best song.
Looking for your love, praying for your love, dying for your love. Okay, okay, okay. Give me one with a good kick up. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay, okay. Give me one with a good kick up. Okay, okay, okay.
What is this?
That's
Wakare, wakare,
from
wakare.
Chef. It's like African dance.
Yeah, but it's not like
Yeah,
this.
As
What I
well.
had was, can I have a song?
Pick up the phone and call me. It means
Where
pick
are
up the
you?
phone.
Where are you?
I've seen the African one, but this Somali thing and
This is pick up the phone. This is pick up the phone, and this is so that was Lil Billy. So waxaa ku xiga CK iyo Lil Billy heesa qaadaan.
waxaan dhahaa falaq falaq. What a name! Wow.
Falaq falaq way sidaa dalaq.
taladiisa
Gacantiisa.
waxaan ku talaalay
Aye, CK.
iyaan tabayay
Waxaan ku talagalay.
waxa aan taamay shacayrtayadiisa qalbiga taladiisa waxaan ku talaalay yartiyaan tabayay waxa aan ku taamay shacayrtayadiisa
فلم فلم شي قاعدة فلم فلم ويوضع فلم فلم ويزيد فلم فلم آمين
وتاوي نوري وعدوك تداساي وتاوي بالغي والله ويفي نيدا وي سودا وي او نقطو مستر واي سيكي iyo قلبي واي عيارتي
Heesood waan u sameeyay.
Anaa sameeyay.
Sa muxuu wata muxuu bedelayaa?
Magacayga maxaa
Wasa
wasaa?
dheer baad ku jirta kale. Mu waa yahay.
To be specific, xaaxidha qan ku dhahay.
بلا واي ما قلت علي you my soccer soccer you know I'm the bubble علي كوري soccer don't تجعلك soccer
Waree qalbi carab waxaa weeyaan qalbi waa qalbi. Sama carab ma sha Allah carab dhima ku hadashay ma af soo qaraarab you.
Anaa ereyo fiican I can write like more.
She's actually a songwriter, like
Exactly.
abwaanad abwaanad.
Yes.
So hala rifa.
Abaan ma rap qora.
Xawaana heesta calanka Soomaaliya u dhibtay.
That came from me. Anyways, we're going to the next song.
Now we're gonna react to Munir. We're from TikTok. But I call him. I'm not even lying.
Heesta waxaa la dhahaa hayade.
Wow, what a nice.
Ayaw man iska daa igu dhig.
Okay.
Yoda wiil yolo.
Baby hi salam baan ku wadaa mamiga qaad Baby ho jacayl baan ku wadaa haniila kaay Baby hi salam baan ku wadaa mamiga qaad Baby ho jacayl baan ku wadaa haniila kaay
Yo wuxuu dhahay naftan ku dhaafsan lahaa haddana kugu dhakaabsan lahaa.
Listen, how anaf igu dhaafsane. My naf it's in
naftaada
my.
hayso teedan haysana ilaa markuu adiga iga qaar qaataan ilaa ku dhaxaysa
Ilaa ku dhaxaysa. Waan teen ku dhaafsan.
saamays bilowin ani ka cimri dheeraaday who knows
What's the cop?
I don't know.
dhakab waa qabsashade
qabsan lahaa.
Is it the cup?
sida xayta si bulbulaara
The cop ang kuri la. The cop ang kuri la.
Dhakoob baan ku dhahay. Waan ku qabsan lahaa.
Oh. qabsasho muskada waan ku qabsan lahaa
la qabsan la
Let's hear to some.
naftaan ku dhaafsanaa haddana waan kugu dhaqoobsanaa
Dubai ma dhihinde. He didn't say Dubai. Dubai brother.
Dubai
No, he doesn't say Dubai. Dubai bule magac buyan.
No, Dubai bang socks adduunka dhan bang
Dubai laakiin aniga Dubai waan
Adi
tagnay.
Nairobi ka soo baxdeen Dubai bas ku raacayna. Deal.
Dahabaan lagu mooda. Wartii bay ka riftay.
Dahab ayaa lagu moodaa. Farxad ayaa tahay. Farxad ayaa tahay.
Dahab baa lagu
What is
moodaa.
that mean? Farxada ya.
You're happy. Is that even a
It's
compliment?
not a word.
You
though.
are happy. You know hada ma
Like, can I call you happy? You're happy mo
You're
kudika.
happy. You are happy.
Farxad ayaa tahay. You're
What's the
happy.
same? I think was kumid.
But it don't make sense.
Exactly.
It don't
Soomaali
make no
marka
sense.
lagu dhahay does
It don't make no
But hada
sense.
English kula you're happy dhahay.
Yeah, can you call
You're
someone?
happy. No. Is that you're happy? Your happiness.
Yeah, yeah.
You
Oh.
are happiness.
Ata
Farxad ayaa tahay.
You
do.
Let's
dahaba lagu mooda farxadda kula doona hadii la sameeyo
That's
Bada
all.
Nairobi baad joogtaan.
Adduunka
Soomaaliga
baan
idinka ina layna bartay ahayd. Soomaalina ma taqaantaan be. Iskuul baa furanaya anigu. Soo adiga Nairobi wali ka furanaya ka dartaa soo kan. Soomaaliga nuxurkiisa ana ku baray.
Wow, did you just say that word? Mashallah.
Nuxurka dhuuxiisa ana ku baray ku dhahay. Soomaali manalayaasha manala gargar.
Sana Somali wewe sana. Professional.
Manalayaasha manala gargar.
PhD na kitu kusita.
Somaha. Na
No, nah, yes.
manala gargar. Si sama.
Na leesh ma la garad ba.
Yeah, everybody knows.
Dad baa dhigi jir marka ani marka yar ay kulay biseen.
Say everybody.
Na wala na
Marka yar
garad. Hadda ka miseen.
And is this the last song?
CK maka bartay anigu tan. CK, what is this supposed to mean, yeah?
So that's all. Let's talk about like all the songs.
Maxaa sii leedan heestan 1 to 10? Tan.
Two.
One.
Aniga maadaama
TikTok's a bit. TikTok was a bit.
Stick with your TikTok online. Song is now for you.
ay waxaan siin lahaa videoga soo duubaa like waxaan siin lahaa for don't go for me wala kuu sheeg anam coming Nairobi bani ma ya because inuu iskuulkayga soo galaan rabaa Soomaaliga manalaasha manala garagaad baa ku baraya.
So that's all. I feel like the best rapper in Somali, like the ones we react so far.
ROX Justice.
Yeah, he has
the
good
best.
freaking lyrics.
Wahajira,
I also feel like Hannah Benz is like really good.
And
Other
what's
than
the
those two,
meaningful too?
Trash.
Then you guys
Yeah,
were like
trying your
trying,
best.
you're getting your money, like actor that's all or
Get it.
you're getting your bag like
So that's it for the reaction
with that.
video. See you next video. Bye. Please subscribe, like,
comment, do your thing,
Do your thing.
Still like this video today. Yeah.
Like,
we
come
would
on,
just
it's about the sisters, like
Yeah, what the heck?
Why wouldn't you not? Look
Why
at us.
not?
So, why do I come and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
so now we're
And I